When people are looking to homeschool their kids, they want to have educational freedom to be able to do what works for them and for their families. I knew what I wanted for my kids. And as I'm looking around, I'm seeing what's out there, and I'm not satisfied with that. And that's why eXtend is created. Homeschooling in community and homeschooling with excellence. That's really what we do. We serve students grades 1 through 12. So basically your first graders all the way through high school. What we do is we do the 4 core and more. We do the English and the math and the science and the history of social studies. But we wanted to be a la carte. We wanted families to have the freedom to choose whatever classes they needed for their kids so that families can get the work of homeschooling done and get it done in a way that's meaningful to them, that's enjoyable for the kids, and that really fulfills the greater purpose of why they're homeschooling their kids to begin with. We have fabulous instructors and fabulous curriculum. They have that flexibility really to deliver the education the way that they want to. And we've been doing it for 7 years, and we got the results to show that this program works and the curriculum that we choose works. Our first graders are outpacing some high school kids. And then when they get to the high school level, they are dual enrolling at the local community college, and then they're able to go wherever they want with money. Our kids get scholarships, and they're homeschool kids. There's so many beliefs out there about what homeschoolers are. I really want eXtend to be part of what changes that narrative. Our kids are doing so well. They are thriving, and that's how I know that we're doing what we're supposed to be doing.